A purely rational mathematical validation, a new creation, with rational trigonometry as its core foundation. Quadrants and spread are the quantities to see, the keys to this rational geometry. Quadrants, a value to obtain the square of the distance between 2 points on a plane, calculated as q equals 2. It's plain, this replaces distance, avoiding square root strain. Spread concept to embrace the rational analog of an angle squared space. The lines by coordinates, it finds its place as a rational function of that coordinate base. As a rational function of that coordinate base is the case, or in a triangle for you to trace. This makes geometry algebraic and new. Why, you might ask with a thoughtful view. Angles and distances need functions complex and askew, which aren't algebraically closed, it's true. But quadrants and spread, for me and for you, are always rational if the coordinates are 2. The 5 main laws of rational trigonometry's art. These laws play a purely algebraic part. A familiar start, Q3 for triangle with a right angle heart. For points not apart is the chart. Spread law, a counterpart. Just read from the start. This relates spreads and quadrants is one work of art. Cross law, a different part. Doing smart triple pointal chart, the final chart. All these laws use arithmetic from the very start. No roots, no transcendental functions to tear apart. Application to experimental protocols we find. DNA clumping, a model for mankind. T is proportional to the quadrant. Q equals L2, you'll find T with K rationally assigned. Measure T for L values of a rational kind. But T there's Q with linearity, your theory you'll find. A Black-Root model forces that bind the Black's responses by the spread formula defined. Correct stress, a law for all time. All values are rational, precisely aligned. Directly testing the law, leaving no doubts behind. A design. Resonance frequencies are rational multiples of golden signs. System stability by cyclotomic polynomials is confined. Intertwined, these polynomial equations are satisfied. You will find, never relying on approximations of any kind. General geometry and physics for a multiples of golden sign, making them testable and for formal proof they're aligned. Practical and philosophical advantages you'll find. No approximation, error thoughts are exact and defined. Universality over any field, it's not confined. This relates spreads and quadrants is a work of art. Cross law, analog, a cosmotic from the very kind. But this relates spreads and quadrants is a work of art. But this relates spreads and quadrants is a work of art. But this